come some toys.
Mason, can I get one of them big tarts?
Oh my God. Here we go. We're sorting toys.
6 to 8.
6 to 8 boys.
This says this is a big toy. So
Whoa.
this needs to go to 8 to 10, 9 to 11. I
Well, it
think.
says 3 plus, so maybe we'll do 6 to 8.
Okay, do 6 to 8.
Okay. Hello.
Hi. Just having fun.
Toys galore. Toys galore. All right, we're in between deliveries right now. Here's our infant boy or girl section. 1 to 2 boy or girl.
I want us
And
to
here's
move them over.
Look.
Well, it's about
It's about time you showed up to help.
no toys. Like there's no toys right now.
Good timing.
Tug.
All right, here's the pile we've got sorted so far.
1 to 2s. Wow, there's a lot of toys there. Oh, they're setting them out now. I see what they're doing now. They're trying to get them so they can see what they're doing.
Yep, 3 to 5 girl.
I guess I'll work on the 6 to 8.
That pile.
Wow.
And these are not all the toys. This is only what has come so far.
Do you show the bikes?
Oh yeah, let's go look at the bikes. Turning y'all around. Woo! They start all the way down there. We got them all lined up. Okay. Check out all the bikes. Coming back here, we got 12 plus girls. Got a pile of stuffies here. So how it works is they'll bring boxes in, their counters, they count each toy, and then they throw them into carts, and we sort them by age, gender, or type of toy. Like this table is arts and crafts and puzzles. These are board games over here. We've got sporting equipment, basketballs, footballs. And then these are the boys sections down here. We're keeping it organized, y'all. Getting it done. Toys for Tots. T23.
Wow, look at this stuff.
Ah! Look at that giraffe. That is so
That is
cute.
That's so cute. The little girl's doing it.
Aww.
Or
Love
little
it.
boys. It's got blue on it too.
All right, Merry Christmas, Tugboat.
Thank you. It feels like Christmas now.
It sure does.
Nope, we're not cooking. Woohoo!
We're not cooking, we're just
We're
sorting
just sorting.
toys.
I've never seen so many toys in my life.
And this isn't even the half of it.
Yeah, they're still bringing trucks.
They're still bringing truckloads in. I think we're gonna call it pretty soon so I can go home and get a little rest in.
This is what I'm going to be doing in about an hour.
Me too, that's what I was
See the
just
little
saying.
shut-eye.
All right.
Oh my goodness, look at that
Merry
bear.
Christmas, y'all. Can't wait to come pick them up on Christmas morning and deliver.